In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a vision board using Canva, a user-friendly platform that makes designing fun and easy. Start by opening Canva and in the search bar, type vision board. You'll find a variety of beautiful templates ready to inspire you. Take your time to browse through them and select one that resonates with your personal vision. Consider the themes, colors, and layouts that speak to you. It's important to choose a template that reflects your goals and aspirations. Once you've picked your template, click on it and select Customize this template. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can infuse your own style and make the board truly yours. A vision board is a reflection of your goals and dreams, so let your creativity flow as you begin. Next, focus on the text. Click on the text field in your template and input motivational quotes, affirmations, or life goals that inspire you. This is your chance to set intentions and surround yourself with positivity. Each word should be meaningful and encourage you to pursue your aspirations. Now, let's add personal images. Click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar and bring in photos or images that represent your goals. This could be a dream home, a future travel destination, a career milestone, or anything that sparks motivation. Simply drag and drop your images onto the template, replacing placeholders as needed. Rearrange images and text until the layout feels balanced and inspiring to you. Remember, creating a vision board is intuitive. Trust your instincts, experiment with placement, and don't hesitate to make adjustments until everything feels right. Once you're satisfied with your design, save it and take a moment to appreciate your work. This board is now a visual representation of your dreams and a powerful tool to keep you focused and motivated. In just a few minutes, you've crafted a personal vision board on Canva that captures your ambitions and inspires you to move closer to your goals. Keep it somewhere visible and let it be a daily reminder of what you're working towards. Thank you for watching and happy designing.